push.
Welcome back to pushthebutton.ie and sorry, one sec. We got a package. What have we got here? Ooh, giant bubble wrap. More giant bubble wrap. More giant bubble wrap. Oh. Look at this. Okay. We're kind of expecting this as well. It is the Numark dj2go2 Touch, and this was sent to us by DJbox, djbox.ie. And the good news is you can win this. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what's inside the box, and then we'll do a giveaway. All right? It's a nice package. Ooh. Nothing here. Come on out. Alright, that's the box. So, what does it come with? This is how it's looking. You got some Numark and Serato stickers to put on your laptop or wherever. You got free software. Yes, it comes with Serato Lite. So the code is on that, which is good. Silica gel keeps everything dry. What's this one? Okay, so you got your USB and audio leads as well. Put them there. And this, and that's what's in the box. So you've got your stickers, your license, your audio cables, and the actual unit itself. It's really light. I'm going to open it. I know you're winning this, but I'm opening it. Put that over there. Oh, have a look at that. It's actually really well built. It's really, really nice. Everything feels good on it. It feels like a good, strong build. It's tough plastic, good rubber that's put on it. So what's in this? So you're going to use your Serato software, which you got your license with this, okay? But it's 2 channels. These are your levels, which usually would look like these on a DJ mixer, these here. But they are actually your pitch control. So to adjust the speed of the track, all right? For anybody who's learning how to DJ, you're going to be using these quite a bit. These are your jog wheels, so you're going to be able to move the track forward and backwards to match the other track when you're beat mixing. With regards to scratching, I don't know how scratchy you're going to get on these. They're tiny. Now, I've got big hands, but these literally are tiny, but they feel good, which is nice. Let's have a look at the buttons. You've got a sync button here. You don't need to be using that. You got your cue button, which is going to cue up your track at the point that you want. And you've got your play pause button. Push the button. And you've got these, which I take it that because I'm not a Serato user, I take it that these are for loop marks and cue points and everything. This is to activate this channel, channel 1 for your headphones. You've got your master level here, and you got your level for your track. There isn't an actual fader like there is a crossfade, so you can go from 1 to 2 like that. Pad mode. So there must be loads of. Okay, you got cues, auto, manual, sampler. All right, okay. So I haven't read the instructions to this yet, so we'll have a proper look when we plug it in. And I think this is going to be perfect for anybody who wants to start out DJing, and even professional DJs who want to maybe do mixes while you're on the road, maybe in a hotel, at the back of a car, in a helicopter, or in bed. I really like this. It's very well built. There's good weight in it, and it's small enough to throw in your bag as well. And for 80 quid, you can't go wrong with this, especially for anybody who wants to get into DJing. We'd like to give this to you. Well, djbox.ie have given this to me to give to you. And to win it, it's very simple. There's no hoops to be jumping through. All you have to do is on our YouTube page is click subscribe and leave a comment on this video saying how much you would love to win this. And then we'll pick a winner. We'll have DJ Box ship it out to you. And you know what? You'll be a DJ. You'll be on the superstar stage with your hands in the air like you just don't care.
There's no guarantee.
No? They won't?
No guarantee it'll be a superstar.
That's not a guarantee. So it's simple, isn't it? Hit subscribe, leave a comment. Thanks for checking us out. Check out the rest of our other videos, and we'll see you next time. Best of luck.
Push.